Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to insert the basic shapes in Microsoft Excel projects. To insert it guys, first click on this insert and then click on this shapes that is in illustrations group, and then the fourth one that you have is basic shapes. Guys, this basic shapes is actually the most commonly used in Microsoft Excel. It's having the high demand. Okay, it also contains the rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, and ellipse. Okay, a trapezoidal, everything, a heart shape, lightning shape, sun, moon, emoji, brackets, an arc, everything. So let's pick one of them. Like I'm selecting this one, and same as all, just select and drag. Okay, and here now you can select the figure, and in this format tab you can select the shape style, or you can change the outline and you can fill the color. You can have an effect. So similarly you can add more guys. Just click on this insert and this shapes, and then the basic shape, and select and drag. Okay, let me show you more. Let me show you more guys. Let's suppose you want to change the color. Let's change it. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.